Hello, friends. It's Gina Green, your wellness coach and essential oils mentor. Welcome back to my channel and our final video in the Stress Woman 5-part series. Today, we're diving into a topic that holds the power to transform your surroundings and consequently your overall well-being. In this video, we'll dive into environmental wellness and essential oil diffuser benefits, where I will share how minor changes in your surroundings can support decreasing environmental stress and enhance overall well-being. And if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button to be notified of my upcoming videos in which you'll discover natural ways to enhance your overall wellness while navigating towards an improved mindset. So now let's dive into the concept of environmental wellness. This isn't just about having a visually appealing space. It's about cultivating good physical and emotional wellness through your surroundings. Environmental wellness encompasses a variety of practices and habits aimed at creating a balanced relationship between you and your environment, which can help in reducing stressful feelings. Some examples of environmental wellness elements for your home include creating a clutter-free personal space, incorporating nature with a few plants, enjoying a tabletop fountain, and even introducing aromatherapy that supports fresher and cleaner air. Picture transforming even the smallest of personal spaces into your sanctuary by adding one or two of these elements to create an environment that not only feels inviting, but can support your overall well-being and reduce stress. Now, we all have parts of our home environment that we can't control, like maybe sharing walls with neighbors, living with a roommate, or living close to outside places that create outdoor noise. But there are always ways to make your space as comfortable as you can. Some examples are decorating your space with your favorite colors, getting a few plants to freshen the air, using some cozy throw pillows or a weighted blanket for a soothing place to rest, hanging pictures or art that makes you happy, or even adding a white noise machine to mask the neighborhood sounds and an essential oils diffuser to add a pleasant scent to your space. We all know that noise, pollution, and just being out in the world are examples of things that can be stressful. So let's take a moment and focus on diffusing essential oils in your space to improve your environmental wellness at home. When choosing a diffuser, consider factors like the size of your space, the type of essential oils that would be best suited for your well-being, and additional features like timer settings or LED lights. One popular choice among wellness enthusiasts is the ultrasonic diffuser, which uses water to dispense essential oils into the air. They not only create a fine mist that spreads the aroma, but can also add humidity to the air. This not only enhances the fragrance of the oils, but also helps maintain optimal humidity levels in your living space, which may be beneficial for respiratory wellness. So if you're open to infusing your space with pure essential oils, then you'll find the information I'm sharing next very helpful. From tranquil scents to invigorating aromas, these oils can transform your space into a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. But before I dive into these oils, I want to give a shout out to a very special essential oil blend I've been diffusing a lot lately, Shinrin Yoku, which translates to forest bathing in Japanese culture. It's said that this Japanese practice involves immersing oneself into a forest atmosphere to promote a therapeutic response that triggers relaxation, reduces stress, and can be mood enhancing too. What I've found is that the Shinrin Yoku blend can mimic the experience of being surrounded by a forest, with essential oils like cedarwood, pine, and eucalyptus, creating a calming and rejuvenating atmosphere when I'm diffusing it in my home. The results have been I'm more relaxed, have a more positive outlook, and definitely feel less stress. From my experience, there are so many essential oils that can improve your environmental wellness and well being. But for this video, let's explore just a few you can diffuse in your home or personal space. First, Hawaiian sandalwood, distinct for its warm and earthy aroma, possesses tranquilizing qualities that induce relaxation and alleviate stress, cultivating a serene environment that encourages inner peace and harmony. Next is lavender, which is known for its calming properties. It can help reduce stress, promote relaxation, which in turn creates a tranquil environment conducive to restful sleep and peacefulness. There's also lemon with its bright and citrusing aroma, which can uplift mood and purify the air, providing a fresh and revitalizing atmosphere that promotes positivity and vitality. And lastly is peppermint with its invigorating scent, which can boost energy and mental alertness, making it ideal for creating an uplifting atmosphere. If you're interested in grabbing any of these oils, I'll put a link in the description below so you can start your journey to improving your environmental wellness and enhancing your overall well-being. So there you have it. By diffusing essential oils into your personal space, you can create a supportive and nurturing environment to promote your optimum wellness. I hope that you've gained some insight into how environmental wellness and diffusing essential oils can play a crucial role in reducing stress and fostering a positive atmosphere. In the comments below, I would love for you to share your experiences and successes. As we wrap up the Stress Woman series, I want to say I hope you're enjoying being a part of this community as much as I am, as we journey through improving our wellness naturally together. It's been amazing exploring different ways we can ease stress and boost positive well-being. Remember, let's continue to support each other, try new things, and know that even the smallest change can make a big difference. Wishing you all the best on your journey to being a less stressed woman, and I'll see you in the next video.